Don Adolfo, kilala mo ba kung sino ang taong ito?
From what Leo said, I gather Antonio Marsona is a male teacher.
I'll tell you about him. Wala siyang kwentang tao, walang palabra de honor. Tumanggap siya ng teaching job sa Brent School, pumirma ng kontrata for the whole school year, tapos biglang nawala. Just like that, for no reason at all. Kanino bang idea to? Who suggested him in the first place?
I did.
Mr. Papa, ang welfare ng mga bata, the students of today, the leaders of tomorrow, ay nakapatong sa ating mga kamay. A responsibility that should not be taken lightly. We're asked to approve on a teacher, hindi isang basurero sa kanto.
Marzona is a teacher. Very good one, I understand. An honor student at State University with excellent references. May asawa, disenteng babae.
Mrs. Marsona is not decent. 3 buwan siyang buntis bago siya ikinasal. She's also a bad mother. Ang bata namatay, pinabayaan niya.
Mrs. Osaita, buntis din ang asawa ko 5 buwan bago ko siya pinakasalan. Wala pa kasi kaming pera noon. Are you implying that my late wife is also indecent? The street where you live, a building in this school is named after her. Leo, ano pa bang dapat natin malaman tungkol dito kay Marsona? So we can vote.
Meron dyan nagsasabi, during his school days, may communistic leanings daw siya. In his speech, he once told the audience that some of the greatest writers were Russians.
What's wrong with that? Nagsasabi lang ng totoo yung tao. My favorite writer is also a Russian, si Vladimir Nabokov. Tell me about the Brent School incident.
There is this daughter of an ambassador, a senior student. Mahina yung babae sa history subject. Tumawag sa kanyang ama to apply pressure on Tony. Dumating yung ama, pinagsabihan si Tony to pass her daughter, or else marami siyang kaibigan in the right places. Bumaksak yung babae sa exam. Tony gave her a 50 for the quarter. So, Tony lost his job. He had to quit.
An honest man. Walang takot. I vote that we hire this fellow.
I'm with you.
Just a minute. I won't stand for this.
Mrs. Osaita, you've been outvoted.
I don't care. Hindi pa tayo tapos.
Mrs. Osaita, after this meeting, Arthur and I are going to sign our names on the contract, hiring Antonio Marsona. You may join us, or you may not. It's entirely up to you.
Nakakasakit ng ulo ko.
Hoy, hindi ako doktor. Dahil walang doktor na natutulog sa loob ng kwarto ng pasyente.
Good morning! Iho, kamusta na siya?
Okay lang.
Dinalang kita ng damit, oh. Magbihis ka.
Thank you.
Kamusta ka na, Iha? Ano bang nangyari?
Bigla ka kasing tumawid. Nabundol ka. Pero binigyan ka naman nila ng kumpletong x-ray tsaka CT scan. Ang sabi naman nila, wala raw seryosong injury na nangyari sa'yo. Bugbog lang tsaka pasa ang meron ko sa katawan.
Pero huwag ka mag-aalala, Iha. Pinagagamot naman kita eh.
Sino ba kayo?
Ako yung nakabundol sa'yo.
Ang sakit na ulo ko.
Baka dala lang yan ang pagkauntog mo.
Hindi ho. Nagugutom ho ako.
May dala akong pagkain para sa'yo. Eto, oh. Apple.
Salamat ho.
Iha,
Tinay ho ang pangalan ko.
alam mo, Tinay, hindi naman ako masamang tao eh. Ang katotohanan nga, hindi ko naman kasalanan yung pagkakabundol ko sa'yo eh. At saka, dapat aminin mo na may kasalanan ka rin sa nangyari dahil di ka tumitingin nung tumawid ka, hindi ba?
Wala hong kaso sa akin yun. Hindi ko naman ho kayo pagsasamantalahan eh.
Naku, salamat naman, Tinay.
Kailangan ko lang ho ng trabaho at na matitiran.
Ha?
Gusto ko sana wag naman katulong. Kasi lahat ho ng kababayan ko yun ang nagiging trabaho eh. Kung pwede sana sa office.
Ah, office.
Hello. Mike. Sige, nandyan na kami.
Si Mike?
Yeah.
O bakit daw?
Naghihintay na daw sila. Han, sandali.
Lisa! Lisa! Ano nangyari? Sino?
Mike!
Mike! Mike!
Mike, ano?
Si Justin! Nasaan si... Sandali! Sandali! Ibaba niyo! Ibaba niyo!
Justin!
Justin!
Justin.
Come on, baby, come on! Justin! Justin! Bobby, sandali! Justin! Is he breathing? Is he breathing? Justin! Please. Come on. Wait! Justin! Baby, come on. Baby! 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 Baby, please, no. No, baby, wait, 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 wait.